Today, we're about to show you an indicator that's so innovative. It doesn't just show volume, it translates it. It spots divergences, tracks surging money flow, and even reveals when the latecomers are piling in, giving you an edge before the crowd even knows what hit them. If you're still analyzing the market without understanding volume, you're trading blind. Volume isn't just noise, it's the heartbeat of every move the market makes, and this tool will flip your analysis on its head. The indicator is called the Oscillator Matrix, and it's built from 5 powerful components: smart money flow, Hyperwave divergences, reversals, and Confluence calculations. Let's start with the engine behind it all: smart money flow. Money flow and liquidity are the lifeblood of any market, and in the Oscillator Matrix, they're front and center. The smart money flow feature is designed to detect emerging trends based on the activity of real market participants. When green waves appear, it signals money flow is increasing in the market. Red waves, money is flowing out. But here's where it gets next level. By analyzing the angle of those waves, you can gauge whether buying or selling interest is accelerating or fading. To make that even clearer, this feature includes a threshold system. Above and below the 50-level baseline, you'll see threshold markers that indicate extreme conditions. When money flow rises above the upper threshold, it's a sign of heavy one-sided bullish activity. But when it drops below the lower threshold, you're looking at intense bearish activity. Now here's the thing. When money flow reaches those extremes, the market often kicks into a powerful trend. But we all know the danger that moment can bring. Sometimes by the time momentum kicks in, it's too late to enter, and a reversal could be lurking. That's why we also built in the overflow feature. Overflow occurs when excessive liquidity floods into a trend over a short period. It's often a sign that late traders are chasing the move, and that the trend might be nearing exhaustion. If you're already in a position backed by your analysis, that's your cue to hold, not chase. If you're still on the sidelines, wait for the overflow to fade before making your move. If necessary, you can go into the settings of the money flow and increase or decrease the length to have it more aligned to your type of analysis. Higher values will be more indicative of longer-term money flow analysis, while lower values for shorter-term analysis. While smart money flow and its supporting components focus on volume and liquidity to gauge market interest, you still need clear, actionable triggers to enter and exit trades. That's where the Hyperwave comes in. The Hyperwave is a normalized, adaptive oscillator designed to capture price trends with precision, without all the noise that plagues traditional indicators. It's your go-to tool for spotting both trends and reversals, and it's made up of 2 components: the Hyperwave line and the signal line. The signal line is your trigger mechanism. It can be configured as either a simple moving average or a trailing stop function, and when it crosses above or below the Hyperwave, a small dot is plotted, highlighting potential turning points. These crosses are often extremely early signals of trend shifts. On the Oscillator Matrix, you'll also notice dashed lines at the 80 and 20 levels. These represent overbought and oversold zones. If a Hyperwave cross occurs within these extreme zones, a large turning point dot appears, marking a high-confidence reversal signal. When you combine this with your smart money flow analysis, you're no longer guessing. You're pinpointing high-probability trades earlier and with more precision than ever before. Now that we've introduced the Hyperwave, you'll start to notice something subtle but critical within the Oscillator Matrix: divergences between price and the Hyperwave. The Oscillator Matrix includes real-time divergence detection between Hyperwave signals and price action. But here's what sets it apart. Most divergence indicators calculate after the fact, often several bars too late, by which time the move is already halfway done. Ours doesn't wait. These divergences appear in real time. No delays, no lag, just pure, actionable insight exactly when you need it. You can adjust the sensitivity of the divergences to see more or less. And we also added a feature to display these divergences directly on the chart, so you can compare the price to the divergence detected, making it easy to incorporate into your chart analysis. This is the icing on the cake. You can now analyze volume and liquidity to understand market flow, spot ultra-early entries at key turning points, and detect shifts in direction before they're even on most traders' radar. Every feature is crafted by real traders, designed for one purpose: to help you capitalize on your edge with precision. And if you thought that was the end of it, think again. We pushed the limits even further with this toolkit. With so many powerful features working together, we knew there had to be a clear, visual way to interpret their collective signals. That's why we introduced the Confluence features. Here's how they work. We have the upper and lower Confluence zones. When both the Hyperwave and money flow features signal an uptrend, the upper zone is shaded deep green, indicating strong bullish confluence. If only one shows bullishness, the upper zone appears in light green, signaling moderate agreement. The same logic applies to the lower zone during downtrends, using shades of red to reflect bearish confluence. This gives you an instant read on how aligned the core features are at any moment. No second guessing required. But that's not all. The confluence zones measure only two components. So we built something even more powerful, the Confluence meter. When enabled, this meter takes into account not just hyperwave and money flow, but also the signal line, divergences, and overflow conditions. A higher meter reading means multiple elements are confirming a strong bullish trend, while a lower reading suggests a powerful bearish alignment. It's the fastest way to see the full story of market sentiment at a glance. And for our final major feature, let's talk about reversals. While reversals can often be identified using tools like hyperwave turning points, overflow exhaustion, or divergences, those are all trend-based methodologies. We wanted to go a step further and build a feature specifically for traders focused on spotting reversals directly. So, if you look above or below the confluence zones, you'll notice small dots or large triangles. These are your reversal signals. When a small dot appears, it usually signals a minor retracement within an existing trend. It's a softer heads up. But when you see a large triangle, pay close attention. These indicate a potential major reversal, and often appear just before significant market turning points. It's a layer of early warning, designed specifically for reversal-focused traders. And there you have it, every component of the Oscillator Matrix working together in one seamless, intuitive, and powerful toolkit to help you dominate your market analysis like never before. And now that we've introduced all these features, let's go ahead and show you some examples of how you can combine all these features in your analysis to truly get the most out of this toolkit. Now, looking at this price action, the first thing that stands out is the bright green confluence zone. That's your signal that multiple features are aligned in support of this uptrend. But let's break it down even further. Notice how smart money flow consistently made higher highs, each time pushing through the thresholds with strength. That's a clear sign of ongoing buying interest in the market. However, take a closer look. We're also starting to see signs of overflow. Now, remember, overflow doesn't guarantee a reversal. What it does tell us is that late trend participants are jumping in. Entering a trade at this stage carries higher risk, as these are often followed by retracements or even full reversals. And that's exactly what played out. As the overflow signal dropped off, we didn't see an immediate reversal, but a sharp retracement. At the same time, the hyperwave, which had been trending higher, made a notable swing to the downside, ending that strong momentum to the upside. But despite that, money flow was still rising, so buyers were still interested at this point. But then, another divergence was detected. Another strong sign of the market starting to diverge from the uptrend, and a reversal could be imminent. We also have a strong hyperwave signal triggered within the overbought zone. And also notice that we are below the strong reversal signal and the buyer's overflow falling off once again. The market is clearly getting weaker, but to put the nail in the coffin, look at the money flow. Whereas before we were consistently testing and breaking the thresholds, now we're failing to even reach them. And if you mark the previous high in money flow, you'll see we've begun forming lower highs. More sign that buying interest is fading. And right on cue, the market followed with a massive sell-off from those highs. Let's look at another example. In this example, we're looking at a downtrend, and it becomes clear once you examine the money flow. Mark the lows, first, second, and third. Each dip pushes deeper into the threshold, confirming strong selling pressure. But here's the key moment. On that third low, we begin to see overflow. That's our warning sign. Late sellers are entering, and jumping in here would be risky. As expected, the market follows with a retracement, a temporary pullback, as the overflow fades. Now take a closer look at the hyperwave. Notice how it's crossing above the 50 line, while selling interest remains and no overflow is present at this turning point. That's your perfect opportunity to enter a trade. Clean signal, low noise, and strong timing. As the downtrend continues, another overflow signal appears. But thanks to the early hyperwave entry, you're already positioned, avoiding a late, high-risk entry. This is a textbook example of feature confluence, multiple signals aligning to help you time your trades with precision. And these are just two of the many ways you can approach market analysis with the Oscillator Matrix. The possibilities? Endless. With a toolkit this powerful, alerts are essential, and we've got you covered. The Oscillator Matrix supports everything from pre-built alerts to fully customizable scripting. Whether you want to catch real-time reversals, divergence signals, or trend confirmations, the alert system ensures you'll never miss a key opportunity. We've created dedicated walkthrough videos on how to set up and maximize these alert features. So if you haven't seen those yet, we highly recommend checking them out. We hope you enjoyed this breakdown and gained valuable insights into the Oscillator Matrix, a true game changer in market analysis. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, you can get 30-day risk-free access to this toolkit, along with the Signals and Overlays toolkit and the price action concepts at LuxAlgo.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, trade smart, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next video.